The Fortuner is for the leader of the family. You see elegance and raw power to be equal because you are pure duality. The new Fortuner is now even more refined with stunning exterior upgrades as well as interior improvements. It exudes elegance while retaining a sporty feel. Beyond its exciting exterior, the Fortuner is also magnificently powered. It can take you from the city to the open road with unrivaled performance. With great power, you're going to need exceptional control. That's why we've engineered the variable flow control power steering. Another exciting feature is the auto-limited slip differential, designed to maximize traction without sacrificing engine power. The Fortuner also comes with Toyota Safety Sense, TSS, on board. Pre-collision system, PCS, will alert you should it detect the likelihood of frontal collision with the preceding vehicle. It will also auto-brake to minimize impact or prevent a potential collision altogether. Lane Departure Alert, LDA, with Yaw Assist uses the onboard camera to ensure the Fortuner is within its lane. Should the system detect you going off course, it will apply the brakes to adjust the vehicle's trajectory accordingly. For those long drives, you will love the dynamic radar cruise control. DRCC allows you to set a cruising speed and uses the onboard radar to maintain a safe distance with the car in front of you. It will slow you down and re-accelerate your vehicle accordingly, depending on the clearance ahead. On top of all these great features, the Fortuner also comes with a host of additional conveniences that will add to a comfortable experience. The beauty and power, the strength and design. This is pure duality.